Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be doing dot painting on wood. So I am using here dot painting tools. One I am using here is flathead acrylic pen and other one is stylus dot pen. So you can see here how I am using, and I will be sharing here the link of that short where you will get the tutorial about the tools that I am using in this video very easily. Okay, so here we are using the multiple patterns of dot painting. I'm making these designs on wood, so it is a coaster also. We can use it as a coaster, we can use it as a showpiece also, keeping on our table, so which gives a positivity. Obviously a design, a beautiful colors, a beautiful design gives us positivity and good vibes. So in this video you will find that I am taking the color and putting on my stylus dot pen, and a lot of color is visible on the tip of the stylus pen. All right, so it's very easy to make. First you will take the color and put the dot on the wood or sheet or whatever the surface you are taking. Okay, then you will be putting bigger, then smaller. It will automatically come like that only, so you don't have to take again and again color with that. Just put one color, the bigger dot, then use the same color second time, then third time, then fourth time. That you can understand when the color will about to finish on the tip of the stylus pen, you can stop there and go for the another steps. Okay, so you can see in the corner first green dot, and then I am following that dot with the white color dots. Okay, so green dot I have used by putting the single time single color. Okay, and white color dots I have repeated the white dot in one go. So you can see here 4 to 5 dots are there, but their sizes are different, bigger to smaller. Likewise, you can repeat the same design everywhere but in a different way. Okay, so the different design will appear before you. Okay, and first on the bigger dot you can put another color dot also to give the minute detail to it, and it will look definitely beautiful. Let's make the dots and design together, and you must practice first the dots and with the dot tools, and then you should go for making the final design. Now I will come to the colors that I have used. I have used here acrylic colors. First I have given the base with Prussian blue, and then I have used the dots of different colors. So I have used here crimson red color, and other one is the white, and the lemon yellow, and then I have used the neon color, that is the green one. So neon is bright, so when we make some artwork there should be uh, not all the colors should be the same. There should be some bright colors, there should be some dull colors, there should be some medium types of color, so that the painting should look attractive. Dark to medium, medium to dark, so that makes the painting very appealing. While doing this dot painting you have to think the dots. That is why I'm saying again and again that you should practice the pattern on a different sheet, so that when you're going for the final uh, painting, there you can pick those patterns from your rough sheet and then you can make it on that. Okay, that will be easier for you. So if you make a mistake, या अगर चाहे आप गलत कलर यूज़ कर लिया गलती से, या आपका डिज़ाइन ख़राब हो रहा है, और यू वांट टू मेक सम चेंजेस, यू डिडंट लाइक द कलर, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम यूजिंग हेयर रॉन्ग पैटर्न, मेरे से पैटर्न गलत हो गया या मेरे से कलर गलत यूज़ हो गया, तो ये एक्रेलिक कलर है, उसमें यू डोंट हैव टू बी वरी अबाउट दैट, ठीक है, उससे आप चेंज भी कर सकते हो, बट बिफोर दैट लेट इट गेट ड्राई, उसको सूखने दो, देन यू कैन पुट द कलर दैट यू विश टू यूज़। ओके, उससे क्या होगा कि आपका डिज़ाइन जो आप सोच रहे हो, जो आपने बना के रफ से प्रैक्टिस किया हुआ है, वो अच्छे से निखर के आएगा। सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ कि आपका पेंटिंग बहुत अच्छा दिखना चाहिए। ठीक है। उसके लिए एक्रेलिक कलर्स में ये बहुत अच्छी खासियत है कि उसमें आप चेंजेस, यू कैन यूज़ द चेंजेस बिकॉज देर आर मल्टीपल मीडियम्स फॉर द कलर्स। एक्रेलिक कलर्स होते हैं, ऑयल कलर्स होते हैं, एंड देन वी हैव वाटर कलर्स, गॉश कलर्स, ठीक है। डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मीडियम्स होते हैं, लेकिन उनमें हम चेंजेस कर भी पाते हैं, बट जैसे ऑयल कलर्स है उसमें हम चेंजेस कर पाते हैं, बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू ड्राई। ऑयल कलर्स को बहुत टाइम लगता है ड्राई होने में, ठीक है। एक्रेलिक कलर्स को हार्डली 4 to 5 मिनट्स, ठीक है। 4 to 5 मिनट्स के लिए अगर आप उसको सूखने के लिए रख देंगे तो दैट विल बी ड्राइड, एंड you can put whatever you want to put, okay, whatever color you want to change or you want to add some colors, okay. So just you have, if you buy that mandala dot wali kit, okay, so you can try with the different tools. There are so many tools in it. You can make the design, different designs with different tools, okay. बहुत मज़ा आएगा. All right, let's have a music also with it. All right, thank you everyone. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Any comments you want to share, anything you want to know more, just put in the chat box and let me know. I'll definitely answer to your questions. Thank you so much.